Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 20 plus useful English idioms with meaning and examples. Bring the house down. Meaning, to make the audience laugh, cheer, or clap very loudly. Example: the comedian brought the house down with his final joke. Bring something to a head. Meaning, to make a problem or situation reach a point where something must be done. Example: the constant arguments finally brought the issue to a head. Bring something to fruition. Meaning, to make a plan, dream, or idea successfully happen or come true. Example: the project was tough, but we brought it to fruition. Bring something to the fore. Meaning, to make something more visible, important, or well-known. Example: her speech brought the need for mental health support to the fore. Broken dreams. Meaning, hopes or goals that didn't come true or were disappointed. Example: she left her hometown with big plans, but came back with broken dreams. A brush with death. Meaning, a near-death experience. Example: he had a brush with death in that car crash. Butterflies in one's stomach. Meaning, a nervous or anxious feeling. Example: I always get butterflies in my stomach before a job interview. Burst someone's bubble. Meaning, to disappoint someone by showing that what they believe or hope isn't true. Example: I didn't want to burst your bubble, but that designer bag is fake. The buck stops here. Meaning, final responsibility lies with this person. Example: as the team leader, the buck stops here if anything goes wrong. Build a better mousetrap. Meaning, to make a new and better version of something that already exists. Example: she's trying to build a better mousetrap for food delivery. Build castles in the air or in Spain. Meaning, to dream about things that are not realistic or likely to happen. Example: he always builds castles in the air instead of working on real goals. Bulldoze through something. Meaning, to do something quickly and forcefully, without thinking about others. Example: don't just bulldoze through the project, listen to everyone's ideas. A bum steer. Meaning, advice that turns out to be wrong or unhelpful. Example: we followed his directions, but they were a bum steer, we got totally lost. Bumper to bumper. meaning very slow-moving, heavy traffic. Example, we were stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic for over an hour. Burn someone at the stake, meaning to severely punish or criticize someone. Example, one mistake and the media burned her at the stake. Burn one's bridges, behind one, meaning to do something that makes it impossible to go back to a previous situation. Example, he insulted the boss before quitting, definitely burned his bridges. Burn someone in effigy, meaning to protest by burning a dummy that represents someone. Example, angry fans burned the coach in effigy after the team lost. Burn the candle at both ends, meaning to get very tired by working or staying busy from early morning till late at night. Example, I've been burning the candle at both ends with 2 jobs and night classes. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to stay up late working or studying. Example, she burned the midnight oil to get her project done on time. Burned to a cinder, meaning burned very badly or completely ruined by heat. Example, don't touch the toast, it's burned to a cinder. Bury the hatchet, meaning to stop fighting and become friendly again. Example, we had a big argument, but we decided to bury the hatchet and move on. Let bygones be bygones, meaning to forget past problems or arguments. Example, I know we fought last year, but let's let bygones be bygones. Make amends, meaning to try to fix a mistake or make up for something wrong. Example, he apologized and brought flowers to make amends. Clear the air, meaning to talk honestly to remove tension or misunderstanding. Example, we had a long talk to clear the air and now we're good. Patch things up, meaning to repair a relationship after a disagreement. Example, they had a fight, but now they've patched things up. On good terms, meaning having a friendly or respectful relationship. Example, even after the breakup, they stayed on good terms. Business as usual, meaning things continuing in a normal way despite problems. Example, Despite the storm, it was business as usual at the airport. The butt of a joke. Meaning, the person who others laugh at or make fun of. Example, he was the butt of every joke after tripping at the party.